Hi, good morning, guys. So I am I'm having breakfast. At the KLM, at the KLM lounge in Schiphol. And I am at Schiphol because I am here because I'm going to Kenya. Yes, I'm going to Kenya. Yeah, I'm going to Kenya for like a short while, for like a week. And then I'm coming back on Sunday. And I thought I should share this with you guys. Like, let's say if you're Kenyan or you're East African and you go to Kenya, I don't think you need a visa. For a Kenyan, you obviously don't need a visa. But for a Dutch person, if you want to go to Kenya, then you definitely need a visa. But the good thing about going to Kenya is that you can get your visa on arrival. So that is an advantage that most of the Europeans have. And sometimes I think it's really actually unfair. Because for us, let me just rant a little bit. For us Kenyans, when we come here to the Netherlands, we need to get our visas ready. We need to get so many documents ready. We need to get so much ready before they allow us to come to the Netherlands or to Europe. Like, I'm saying allow because they can even say no after you provided so much proof. And but for Dutch people and for other Europeans, it is very easy for them to visit Kenya. All they have to do is to get the visa on arrival, or they can even arrange to get a visa just through the internet. That they don't need to go and stand in the long line waiting for a visa. They can just arrange it through the internet. Isn't that unfair? But anyway, that's the system. So like I was saying, to go to Kenya, you need a visa on arrival, and you can arrange that through the internet. The site is, if you want to arrange that through the internet, I will tell you the site right now. I need to check. I don't have it in my mind. It's so you go on Google and you type in evisa.go.ke. Only that, evisa.go.ke, and you will find all the information about the visa, and they will direct you what you need to do. Or you can just go on Google and search visa to Kenya, and you will get all the information. But anyway, I am going to Kenya for a week, and it's just for fun. I will visit my friend in Nairobi. I will arrive tonight because my flight leaves here at around 12, and then I will arrive in Kenya at 10, around 10, and then I will go to my hotel. I will show you guys when I'm there. I'm taking you guys with me, so don't worry. I will show you where I'm going to stay. Then tomorrow, my friend will pick me up. We'll have breakfast. We'll spend the day together. That is my best friend. Hi, Molvin. I know you're watching this. And I will stay at Molvin's place. And then you better get used to her name, because I think in this trip you will hear lots about her and from her. So I will stay at Molvin tomorrow, and Tuesday I will stay also at her place, which I'm really looking forward to. And then Wednesday I will fly from Nairobi to Mombasa, and then spend Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday fly back to Nairobi, and then connect from Nairobi to Amsterdam. Okay, I'm gonna continue eating now, and I will catch you guys later. So guys, we have arrived in Nairobi. Let me give you a little tour of the room. That one over there with the big belly is me. So if I stand here, that is like the toilet and the shower. And then you have a little sink over there with stuff that you might need. What stuff in there? Vanity pack, sanitary bag, etc, etc. They provide dryer, and then you have the toilet right here. Yeah, and then you come here, you come to your sleeping area. So you have the bed, it's a queen size, which is big enough for 2 people. There you can put your bags and your stuff. I don't know what they have here actually. Let's see. Oh yeah, they have a safe. You can put your stuff that you want to hide. You can put in there. You can hang your clothes. And a phone and telephone numbers that you can call in the night if you want to, reception, whatever. And yeah, you have the bed here, and then you have a television, a beautiful cozy room. The hotel is called Tamarind, but I will show you. The hotel is called Tamarind Tree, and you can book it through booking.com. That's how I did it. I booked it through booking.com. And that's it actually for the room tour. And now let's go down to the bar because I want to eat something. Yeah. No. Molvin, my friend, you met her.
Okay, your friend, okay. So last time I didn't meet your sister.
So this is the outside of the hotel in the night. There is a swimming pool. Oh, and it's long. Hi there. So we have arrived safely in Nairobi. Our flight took about 7 minutes. If it was only 7 minutes, our flight took about 7 hours. 45 minutes. So we arrived actually 15 minutes earlier than expected. We've checked in, and I was hungry. I really want to eat chips masala. So we came to the restaurant, and I've ordered it with some pork, and I'm gonna eat it as soon as it's ready. And then we will go to bed. We'll go take a shower and then go to sleep. So yeah, I think I've mentioned how it is when you want to visit here. Like if you want to visit Kenya, what are the visa process? You just get your visa on arrival, like super easy for all Europeans, and I think also for East Africa. For East Africans, I think for East Africans you don't really need a visa, because there is nowadays there is like a specific passport for East Africans. I just found out that if you get I just found out that if you pay, like if you're coming from Europe, if you're Dutch, if you want to pay like for your visa, it's better you come and pay it here. You just go stand in the line and then you pay it here, because then you will pay 40 euros. But if you pay on the internet, then you will have to pay about 50 euros. Yes, or 45 euros, something like that. So it's a little bit more, but yeah, it's your choice. If you don't want to stand in the line, then you do that. But anyway, at some point you will have to stand in the line anyway. But I think just coming here with your passport and then getting the visa on arrival is much better. Yeah, and like I mentioned, I find it a bit weird that I find it a bit unfair. I'm still saying that. I still insist on that. That it's very easy to come to Kenya, but not for us to go to Europe. But anyway, that's how life is. We accept it. We accept it, you know. We just accept. Acceptance is the best thing. Acceptance makes everything so easy. So I'm gonna go eat now. I ordered chips masala. Chips masala, if you know chips masala, you know what I'm talking about, and it's made here in Kenya. I mean, food in Kenya is really good. So I love you guys, but I'm gonna leave you now, and I will speak to you like next time. I will also make a video about what you can do here when you want to visit Kenya. What are the things that you actually can do here? I will make that video, so stay tuned. And that means if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will be immediately alerted. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will just finish the vlog here because I don't know if I will vlog later on, but yes, I am in Kenya. You know, there's something about me coming to Kenya. I think most of the people that are watching this will relate if you're Kenyan. Like, I've traveled a lot. I've been to so many places, but always when I travel to Kenya and I arrive in Nairobi, there's always this feeling, you know, a feeling of belonging. There is always this really good feeling. I'm really happy to be in Nairobi and also to go to Mombasa. It's actually nice weather. It's 18 degrees right now. It's not very cold, but it's a bit chilly if you're outside. And yeah, in Mombasa it should be 26, I think, in the night. I will see. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Peace out.